Good day, everyone. Today we'll be reporting about creating and observing electromagnets. What are electromagnets? An electromagnet is typically made by wrapping a wire into a coil around a metal object. When an electric current passes through a wire, a magnetic field is created. When the wire is coiled, it creates a stronger magnetic field compared to a straight wire. Adding an iron core, such as a nail, increases the magnetic field. A magnetic field is an invisible force where magnetism can be felt.
Good day everyone, now it's my turn to continue this report. Properties of an electromagnet. An electromagnet only works when electricity is flowing through it. You can adjust the strength of an electromagnet by wrapping more wire around it or increasing the electric current flowing through it. A metal core inside the coil of wire makes the magnet stronger. When you change the direction of the electric current, the magnet force also changes. How the magnet works depends on its size and shape. Electromagnets are used in many things like speakers, electric fans, and induction cookers. They are also used in machines like MRI scanners and wind turbines. Wind turbines use magnets to make electricity. The spinning blades turn apart inside the turbine with magnets. This creates electricity. Can you think of other gadgets or tools that use electromagnets? Thank you everyone for listening to our report.